Dumelang. Welcome back to Setswana class. Ngwaga o mošwa. Happy New Year. Okay, today we are going to learn and we are going to build sentences around how they sound. Our first word is tlala. Tlala, hunger. Ke tshwere ke tlala. I am hungry. Tlase, tlase. Under, ko tlase ga tafole, under the table. Tlatso, tlatso. Dijo tse di na le tlatso e monate. This food tastes delicious. Tlhagiso, tlhagiso. Caution, tlhagiso. Lefatshe le metsi. Caution, the floor is wet. Tlhaga, tlhaga. Go kgaola tlhaga. To cut the grass. Just like in many other languages, Setswana also have words that look similar but has different sounds and meaning. So the next word is tlhaga, tlhaga. Nna ka tlhaga. Stay alert. Tlhagela, tlhagela. Sneaking or sneaking in. Monna o tshwere a tlhagela mo lebaleng. A man was caught sneaking in the stadium. That is all for today. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle. Until we meet again next time. Bye.